assuming that COVID-19 vaccine might be discovered by September, October, and will take
Hmm.
at least 2 years more to reach common people globally.
Hmm.
Hence, it is assumed that pandemic will last for at least 2 to 3 years.
Hmm.
Today, we are very
Okay.
thankful to CA Krunal sir, who is president of Institute of Chartered Accountancy of India, Vadodara branch, to discuss with us impact of COVID-19 on economy. Welcome, sir. Namaste.
Thank you. Namaste, dear. Thank you.
Sir, my first question is, how do you see
Yes.
today's financial ministry Atmanirbhar Part 1 announcement? And if you can share few highlights with us, sir.
Yes, sure. See, Modi government has been yesterday has been announced 20 lakh crore package, and Nirmala Sitharaman endorsed the same today. What Modi government has been announced yesterday. Because of that, MSME sector will get great boost up. Because of that initiative, all MSME will get loans without the collateral securities, and that
Yes.
will create a liquidity in a market. And because of that liquidity, there will be a creation of demand, and because of that demand, money will be circulated in the economy, and GDP will be increased at higher rate, and that will be great goosebump to the GDP of Indian economy.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
taking into consideration today's announcement and assuming
Mhm.
that present form of lockdown in hotspot area will
Mhm.
continue till May end, after which it will be reopening slowly. When do you
Mhm.
see
Mhm.
economy back on its track as it was in post-lockdown era?
See, what I believe, actually, this quarter and next quarter will be covered by the corona effect. And after that, that is fourth quarter,
Yes, sir.
will create a little Indian economy. And after that, we'll get a handsome number of growth in GDP. So, what I believe, fourth quarter will be the crucial for the current year.
Yes, sir. Hoping for the best, sir.
Yeah, hope for the best for the Indian economy. And it will be.
Yes, sir. Industries like hotel, restaurant, multiplex will be having massive layoff because of COVID-19, and new opportunity will be created in medical field. Do you think that this new opportunity will be able to win back the loss of employment in industries like hotel and multiplex?
That's true. It's just a temporary phase. So till 3 to 4 months, until and any social gathering which is entertained by the government, till then employment will be affected under this sector. But entertainment is a sector where no one can be resist once lockdown gets open.
Yes, sir.
So once lockdown gets open, everybody get their employment, and everybody will get that opportunity. So it's just a positive sign. After 3 to 4 months, everything will be normal. So just have a patience and wait for the 4 months. Nothing else. That's it.
Sir, Yes, do sir. you see apart from medical field opportunity can be employment opportunity can be created in any other field apart from medical because of COVID-19?
Obviously, it will be because our economy and population is such a great number after the Chinese economy, where demand will be always high for everything because everyone has to survive, everyone has their own hobbies. So, it's just a temporary phase. So, with after 3 and 4 months, everything will be normal, and demand of each sector will be there. And the 3 and 4 month effect will be bounced back in the sense of demand after that period in
Yes,
these
sir.
sectors.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
China
Okay,
is
please go ahead.
China is gradually opening its economy, whereas countries
Correct.
like USA still remain shut down as number of COVID-19 patients keep rising in USA. There is a speculation that in post-pandemic world after COVID-19, China will replace USA as economic superpower. How do you see this, sir?
I think what I see, it's a big opportunity for the India, not for the US, because of this pandemic, Chinese has lost their reliability and durability factor. And since beginning, we know that Chinese products are not durable as
Yes,
compared to Indian products. So it's a big opportunity for Indian market because uh, as concerned as Indian economy is also labor intensive economy, and
yes,
we
sir.
are having power of labor. compared to China. So we can have opportunity to shift plants from China to India. And recently we came to know that almost 300 plus companies are there who are looking to move from China to India. And our finance ministry is also proactively working for the same. And hopefully we expect that at least 50% industries we can get from the China, then it will be a great goosebump from the Indian economy. And what I believe that India will take the chance, and within next 5 years we will get that desire of the Modi ji, that is $1 trillion economy to $5 trillion economy of India.
Sir,
Yes.
now I have a CA specific question, sir, if you don't mind.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, sure.
in pre-lockdown era, only 5 to 7% of work was done from home. Because of lockdown, the work from home has increased to 30 to 40%. After the lockdown, do you see the same pattern continuing, especially in respect of CA firms?
See, specific, it's a subjective matter. Small firms are presently also facing problem to work from home because the mechanism has not been reached out before this lockdown period. And yes, you are true. Comparative ratio is higher after this pandemic, but working from home and working from office is a totally different atmosphere. And
Yes.
people would love to work at the working place rather than at home. And it depends upon space limitation, because we Barodians are not having such kind of space limitation compared to metro cities. So this work from home funda will be worked at metro cities where cost of space is too much high compared to non-metro cities like Baroda. So after this lockdown, I don't believe that many people would work from home because they will love to work at their working place.
Sir, can you give little bit detail about the income tax and GST extension by today's financial minister, sir?
Yeah, sure. See, what we get this announcement is that we can file return of income tax till end of November,
Yes.
and tax audit can be filed till the end of month of October. So that will be a great relaxation for each individual client and the chartered accountants to solve the clients.
Yes, sir.
Sir, any tips for CA student which you would like to give, sir?
Enhance your scope, enhance your vision, out of the box, think out of box. Like only books are not just your lifestyle. Also enjoy your hobbies along with your study, and focus on various things apart from these studies. Okay, because the image of chartered accountants till now is like that ki we people are not curious, we people are not outspoken personalities.
Thank you for being with us, sir. Thank you very much. I hope
Yeah,
you
it's
and
my pleasure, dear. No,
I hope you and your family is safe, sir.
yeah. We all are safe, and all the best for your future life. And keep doing such kind of good work. All the best. Keep it up.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.